What's up guys, and welcome to this week's Asian meal prep recipe video. I am making some awesome low carbohydrate shirataki noodle stir fry. I'm so excited for it. It's the first time that I'm using shirataki noodles. Can you believe, guys, it's 0 calories? How can that even be possible, right? Anyway, I've got my pan on high. It's kind of hot. I'm gonna add in the oil. So, in goes the oil. Awesome. And probably just do this a little bit. And I'm gonna add in my garlic, onion, and chili padi. So, in goes the garlic. There you go. Onion. Oops, left a bit behind. Some ginger. And a chili padi. Guess what? I forgot my little spatula, so I'm gonna take it right now. Ta-da! And stir it up. Awesome. So, gonna stir this up until the smell rises, okay? Just gotta let it brown a little bit. Gotta love this one, guys. It's gonna be a really quick dish, okay? It's probably gonna take like 20 minutes tops, all right? So just let it stir fry. Okay, the next thing to do is to add in our protein. So I'm using prawns. Of course, you are open to use anything you like, all right? Chicken, beef, tempeh, tofu. So in goes the prawn. Can you see how amazing these prawns are, guys? It's huge. I love it, and it's fresh. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm just gonna cook this until it turns a little pink, and just stir fry it a little bit. So I've used about 3 prawns or shrimp for each dish. So I'm making 3 meals. Alright, and it's really up to you how many you want to do, okay? So, yeah, I'm just gonna stir fry this bit. Nice. Alright, just let it cook for a while, and then I am gonna add in the carrots and the capsicum. So I've just used about 1 medium carrot, so I'm just gonna toss this in. So 1 medium carrot and also 1 red capsicum. Of course, as always, you are open to use any kind of veggies. You know what? Sky's the limit. You do you. Definitely. All right. Okay, so while this is cooking, guys, I'm actually going to prepare the sauce. Okay? So we only have like just a few ingredients left, right? So we're going to do the sauce. So I've got my little cup here. All right. So what goes in the sauce, right? So I've got some coconut aminos. If you do not have coconut aminos, feel free to just use low sodium soy sauce or just soy sauce. You know what? That's all right too. Also got some coconut sugar. Just have a little bit of a sugary taste in there. And then I have my chili paste. So got the chili paste right here. Alright, and some potato starch is optional, but if you kind of want to make it a little bit more thick, alright, go for the potato starch, and I'm just gonna stir it up a little bit, okay? So stir, stir, stir. Try not to make a mess, but as usual, what is me without the mess? Gosh. Alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir up my stir fry right here. Kind of looking at my prawns. Looks amazing. Oh, the prawns are awesome. Look at this, guys. You gotta see this. How big the prawn is. So beautiful. Okie dokie. We are gonna add in our shirataki noodles. Ooh, can you see that? I nearly killed it. Alright, it's the first time I'm using this noodle, so this is gonna be a make or break, but I'm just gonna dump it in. There you go. Ooh, Looks great. All right, so let's just stir it up. I still can't believe how it's 0 calories. You know, it's crazy. This is insane. One look, it looks a little bit like laksa, you know, laksa noodles, but it's not. Nice. Okay, so this looks all right. I'm just gonna try and separate this up into 2. So making like a little well in between. So if you can see it right here, right? And I'm gonna add in my sauce. So just a little well and add that in. Yes, look at that. Awesome. Okay, let's stir this up. Please don't make a mess. Talking to myself. Ooh, I'm just curious to see how this tastes like. Oh, amazing. All right. So just gonna stir it up, guys, and then maybe for another minute or 2, mix it all up. And then we are going to build our meals. Alrighty, it is ready. Look at that. How awesome is this? It's beautiful. Okay, I'm ready to build my meal. So I'm just gonna switch off the heat and grab my spatula. This is not a spatula, it's a tongue. God. Okay, and put it in. I think it's probably good for 2 meals. You know what? I'm gonna make 2 meals. So it's okay. We're just gonna make 2. So this other one is gonna be a little sad, but that's all right too. Okay, so 2 meals is good. All right, there you go. Okay, guys, so let's do this. It's just lots of prawn. Just gonna put 1 right here. 2. Since I'm making 2 meals out of this. 3, 4. There you go. A little bit of capsicum right here. As you can see, it's not equal capsicum-wise and prawn-wise. One of it has 5 and the other has 4. But that's all right, because if you're the only one eating this, you will be consuming it anyway. So, you know what? Let's just make it this way and this way. Woo! Nice! There you go, guys! We are done! There you have it, guys. I'm gonna do a taste test as usual. So, let's do this. Alrighty. A little bit of a taste test. Ooh. You know the thing about experimenting on recipes? It's kind of scary because you really don't know how it will taste like. But here we go. Look at that. Woo! Spiral it up. Wow. It's actually pretty good. It's so chewy. It feels like you're eating something with carbs. But there's no carbs in this. It's actually pretty amazing. And it's spicy. Oh my gosh, it's spicy as usual. But I love it. There you have it, guys. That's 2 meals. It was supposed to be 3. But of course, you know, here and there. But give this a try. It's called Shirataki noodles, okay? So low-carb Shirataki noodles stir fry. Give it a go. Let me know how you go. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And I'll see you again next week with another cheap, fast, and nutritious Asian meal prep video. Stay safe!